Hello and good morning, everyone. First of all, happy Pharmacist Day to all. As you all know that today we have gathered here to celebrate World Pharmacist Day. On this special day, we honor the indispensable role pharmacists play in our healthcare systems worldwide. This year's theme is Pharmacies Meeting Global Health Needs, which serves as a platform for the profession to celebrate its contribution for enhancing global health and emphasize the ability to further improve global health outcomes. Today, as we celebrate Pharmacist Day, globally, we must also acknowledge the challenges in healthcare. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted how essential pharmacists are working on the front line to ensure continued access to medication and healthcare services. Whether it's in clinical settings, community practice, research, or public health advocacy, pharmacists play a vital role in safeguarding the well-being of the society. Let us take this opportunity to thank the pharmacists who work tirelessly behind the counters, contributing to healthier communities and strong health systems. Now, I would like to request to stand everyone for the university song. विश्व है हमारा भारत, घर हमारा है। विश्व है परिवार भारत, घर हमारा है। हम और हम संस्कृति हमारी, हम सभी सबला अंतर हमारा है। विश्व है परिवार भारत, घर हमारा है। साकार है इसमें मनुष्य करेगा साकार है इसमें। हम दिखाए और सुंदर हमारा है। विश्व है परिवार भारत, घर हमारा है। संस्कृत की पराशक्ति स्वर हमारा है। विश्व है परिवार भारत, घर हमारा है। I swear by the Code of Ethics of Pharmacy Council of India. I swear by in relation to the community and shall act as an integral part of the healthcare team. I shall uphold the laws and standards governing my profession. I shall strive to perfect and enlarge my knowledge to contribute to the advancement of pharmacy and public health. I shall follow the system which I consider best for pharmaceutical care and counseling of patients. I shall endeavor to discover and manufacture drugs of quality to alleviate sufferings of humanity. I shall hold in confidence the knowledge gained about the patients in connection with professional practice and never divulge unless compelled to do by the law. I shall associate with organizations having their objectives for betterment
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. So, at the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Vanita ma'am for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to come here and speak to you all. As you know, I'm working as the assistant professor in pharmacology at CU Shah, which is a neighboring building. So I'm not new to this campus and I'm not new to this college. All of the your teachers are my colleagues. So but for the first time I'm coming here to deliver a lecture. So I'm feeling very happy and very excited. So let me start by wishing you a very happy World Pharmacist Day. Now the theme, as you know, for this year is Pharmacist Meeting Global Health Needs. So we are going to just talk or interact about few points on this particular theme. Okay, I promise I will not bore you much because as madam said, you have got a day long event, so I'm sure you are pretty excited for it. Can you please go to the next slide? Yeah, so we will just see first what do we mean by the global health needs. To all of us having the what is global health need. So as per the FIP, the global health need is everyone should have full range of quality essential health services they need, and that is one of the sustainable development goal, which is called as the SDG. I am just telling you these terms, okay, just to make you familiarize with what is going on with the world scenario, or when we say that meeting global health need. So what do we actually mean by global health need? So global health need क्या है कि सबको क्वालिटी हेल्थ सर्विस मिलना चाहिए. That is it in the simple terms, and that is one of the goal which is set by the WHO in collaboration with FIP, which is its partner. So we know that pharmacists are one of the important part of the healthcare system. So as a pharmacist, we should be also participating in achieving this goal. And as per FIP, they have given, or as per WHO, they have given 4 different criteria or 4 different parameters for which we need to work on to meet this particular goal. So what are these 4 different parameters? Knowledge,